How to update Wi-Fi drivers on Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So if you want to update your drivers on Windows 11, the first solution is to do it through Windows Update. So just right click on your Start button and go to Settings. From the left side of your screen, tap on Windows Update and then you have to click on Advanced Options. Hereby tap on Optional Updates under Additional Options. There you can find all the updates that has been available, including the driver updates. Just tap on it and click on Download and Install and the update will start. Similarly, the next way to do it through the Device Manager. So just click on the search button and then search for Device Manager. Tap on Network Adapter and select for your Wi-Fi driver. Once you have done so, right click on it and then click on Update Driver. Click on the first option and it will automatically update your Wi-Fi drivers. Or you could right click on it, go to the Properties, click on the driver and then click on Driver Details. From here, you can view the name of the driver, search for it online and you can install and update it as well. So these are the few solutions by which you can update your drivers on Windows 11. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.